Welcome back to our channel, where we explore cutting-edge technologies that transform the way we work and create. Today, we're delving into the world of Google Bard AI, an innovative tool that combines artificial intelligence with creativity. I'm Nassif, and in this video, we'll dive deep into Google Bard AI, its capabilities, and how it can revolutionize your creative process. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what Google Bard AI is all about. Google Bard AI is an advanced artificial intelligence-powered platform that integrates with Google Bard, enhancing its capabilities and taking your creativity to new heights. It leverages machine learning algorithms to provide intelligent suggestions, generate content, and assist you throughout your creative journey. According to Google, Bard seeks to combine the breadth of the world's knowledge with the power, intelligence and creativity of their large language models. It draws on information from the web to provide fresh, high-quality responses. Bard can be an outlet for creativity, and a launchpad for curiosity, helping you to explain new discoveries from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope to a 9-year-old, or learn more about the best strikers in football right now, and then get drills to build your skills. One of the key features of Google Bard AI is its ability to provide AI-generated suggestions. As you work on your documents or brainstorm ideas, Google Bard AI analyzes your content and offers intelligent recommendations. Whether it's suggesting relevant keywords, helping with sentence construction, or providing alternative phrasing, this AI-powered assistant is like having a creative collaborator by your side. Google Bard AI isn't limited to just suggestions, it can even generate content for you. Need a catchy headline or a compelling opening paragraph? Google Bard AI can assist with that. You can input a few keywords or a general idea, and the AI will generate a variety of options to kickstart your creative process. It's an invaluable tool when you're facing writer's block or need inspiration. Communication is key, and Google Bard AI can be your language and grammar guru. It employs natural language processing to analyze your text, offering suggestions for improving sentence structure, grammar, and clarity. With this AI-powered assistant, you can elevate your writing skills and ensure that your message is conveyed effectively. Google Bard AI is customizable to suit your preferences and style. You can fine-tune its suggestions by providing feedback and writing some few words to adjusting its settings. This way, the AI assistant becomes attuned to your unique creative process and delivers more tailored recommendations over time. Google Bard AI isn't limited to text-based assistance, it can also enhance your visual creativity. By leveraging image recognition and analysis, it can suggest relevant images, icons, or visual elements that align with your content. This helps you create visually appealing documents and presentations effortlessly. And that brings us to the end of this exciting exploration of Google Bard AI. We hope you're as excited as we are about the endless possibilities it offers for boosting your creativity and productivity. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, a student, or anyone looking to enhance their creative process, Google Bard AI can be your ultimate creative assistant. Don't forget to try it out for yourself and share your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, embrace the power of Google Bard AI in your creative endeavors. We understand that privacy and data security are paramount concerns. Google Bard AI respects your privacy and operates within the guidelines set by Google. Your data is encrypted and protected, ensuring that your creative work remains confidential and secure. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the remarkable world of Google Bard AI. We hope this video has opened your eyes to the immense potential of AI in the creative realm. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more exciting technology and innovation insights. Now, go out there and unleash your creativity with the assistance of Google Bard AI. See you in the next video.